Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next SFP video tutorial. Now for today's episode, I'm going to show you how to actually set up the load balancing on this Ubiquiti edge router. As for the model, it is the Edge X SFP. So I'm already powered it up. So you're gonna get an Ethernet cable like this. I'm gonna plug one end into the port that is labeled 0, which is that. And then I need to go around to the back of the PC. Right, so once you would have done that, I'm gonna now turn to the PC. You wanna go to the network section there. Now you wanna change the IP address. So the default IP address for this is 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1. So you want to put it like that 7.11.11 tab. The subnet mask want it to remain at 255.255.255.0. So again, the IP address I'm going to be using there is 192.168.1.11. You're going to click OK. Then you want to bring up a browser. So now you're going to type in 192.168.1.1, enter. Click on advanced there, proceed. Now the default username and password is going to be UBNT. You want to agree, login. So you're now in. Let's see if we can bring the camera down a bit. Okay, so to the screen. Right. So it is now saying my router is in default. Do you want to start with the basic? Yes. Right, so you want to click on the wizard section right there. Then you're going to go over to load balancing. Right, so here in the load balancing section, the first Ethernet port is ETH0 there, and the second one is ETH1. So depends on your ISP provider. I'm gonna leave mine at DHCP. Enable the firewall, enable the default firewall. As for ETH1, so this will be the second internet port. everything remain the same. Now this one that said fall over only, if you would tick this one, ETH1 will only give you internet if ETH0 drop in terms of internet, or if ETH0 is not giving you enough internet. But once you untick it, it actually use both ETH0 and ETH1 at the same time, so it actually use both internet simultaneously. Then you want to go further down. The username and password, you can change it. I'm gonna change mine. So create a new now we have one more setting to go, and now we're going to configure the LAN ports so that Ethernet 2, 3, 4, and 5 configure. So we want to give it an IP address for those ports. Mine is going to be 88.1. Once you have done all of that, I'm going to click apply changes, reboot. Yes, I'm sure. Right, so it now actually going to reboot. Now let's turn back to the router here and show you now what to do. Now after it reboot, so it is saying to try again, so unable to connect to a device, right? So definitely once it shows you that, you can definitely know that yes, it would have reboot. So right now in terms of the connection, we're going to change the connection. So we're going to unplug it from ETH0, and we're going to plug it either in 2, 3, 4, one of those. Plug mine in 3. Now we're going to go over back to the computer, because we need to go into the network section and allow it to obtain the IP address. So we're gonna obtain IP address automatically. Once we would have unchecked those, let's go back to a browser, and at this time we're gonna type in the IP address that you would have created, 92.168.88.1. so this is mine. Right, so advance, proceed. Now we're gonna type in the new username and password that we would have created. Right now, so I'm now actually in. So it is showing me that port 3, that's what I would have plugged the cable in. So all I need now is to give it some internet, which I'm going to do that now. So I would have just plugged the internet source into ETH0, or the first port. So just give it some time. Reload. Let's log back in. Right, so as you can see, E0 is now light up. Now at the moment I'm just using one internet connection, so that's why you're not seeing it one there, just browsing. Alright, so as you can see, I would have clicked speed test and it actually works. So that's how you do load balancing, or that's how you configure this Ubiquiti EdgeRouter X SFP. Right, so once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.